in this tutorial. I'm gonna pick up right where he left off in the last tutorial, talking about text. But in this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to animate your text. A couple of different ways. Let me get rid of this block of text. So let's look at a few different ways that you can think about animation for text. One way you could approach it is treating this text layer as one whole unit and then animating that whole unit. Then you can animate that a number of ways. Just like we did in previous tutorials. You can animate simple things on the transform property. Things like position, scale, rotation, opacity, and although we didn't make something incredibly cool looking in the previous example, we could work maybe to make something a little bit cooler looking